Welcome to SE108. In today's video, we are tackling a critical topic in tech world, the challenges in software development. Building software is no easy feat and developers face a multitude of obstacles that can impact the success of project. From tight deadlines and shifting requirements to huge and technical depth, the road to creating high quality software is often bumpy. We will explore these challenges in detail and share insights on how to navigate them effectively. So, if you are a developer, a project manager, or just curious about software development process, stick around and we will dive into the complexities of this field. So the first question that is why software engineering is different from other fields of engineering. So, software engineering is different from other fields because of its intangibility. That is, software is not a physical entity, it's a set of logical instructions which make it hard to visualize and measure like physical products. Second is rapid evaluation. Software changes continuously to adapt to a new requirement, unlike physical products, which generally have fixed designs once built. Then comes the complexity. Software has immense complexity and scalability challenges. Small changes can have unpredictable consequences across millions of lines of codes. Then comes the unclear requirement. Software requirements are often unclear or evolve over time, whereas traditional engineering projects usually have well defined requirements. Then is the testing complexity. It is nearly impossible to test all the possible scenarios in software due to its complexity, whereas physical systems can be tested for specific tolerance or limits. Now, what are the ever-facing complexities? Difficulties such as complexity of software, human-intensive process, and software malleability. What are these? So, the complexity is no two software parts are alike, and the complexity grows non-linearly with size. Second is the conformity. So software is always required to conform. So it always needs a confirmation that it is going in correct way or not. That is the challengeability, changeability. Software is viewed as indefinitely malleable and changes originates with new application, new users, new machines, standards and laws. Then is the invisibility. The reality of software is not embedded in space, and also it is not representable as a familiar geometrical entity. This is for what are the difficulties in developing it. Now, let's discuss how the resources are estimated and what are the techniques to estimate the resources. There is no simple way to make an accurate estimation of effort required to develop a software system, but there are some which I can discuss here. First is the algorithmic cost modeling. It uses mathematical algorithms, for example, COCOMO model, that we have discussed in the last video, that is constructive cost model. Expert judgment. The advantage of this technique is it is really relatively cheap and can accurate if experts have direct experience of similar system. But there is a second side of coin too, that if the experts do not know anything about the project, they cannot do this technique. The third one is estimation by analogy. It is accurate technique if project data is available. Then comes the pricing to win. This is the most important technique. It is to meet customer available budget. This technique is used. It's like customer has given some budget and we need to adjust ourselves in that given budget. This is the technique. Then comes what are the challenges in predicting time, effort, and budget of software development projects? First, it is requirements evolving over time. The first challenge is unclear or evolving requirements. Software development rarely starts with a complete and well-defined set of requirements. Clients often don't fully know what they want until they see a prototype, which means the goalposts are always moving. This makes initial estimates unreliable. Second is the complexity of the software. Even small changes can ripple through millions of lines of code, impacting everything. Unlike building a bridge where we can see each part physically fitting in place, software complexity is invisible and grows unpotentially, leading to an underestimation of efforts and time. Third one is human factors. Human factors also play a huge role. Software development is a creative process that depends on people, each with different experiences and productivity levels. Unexpected sick leaves, varying skill sets, and even team dynamics can lead to significant deviations from original estimates. Then is the uncertainty in technology. Another challenge is uncertainty. Sometimes developers have to work with new or rapidly changing technologies, and integrating them can take much more time than anticipated. Learning curves, unexpected bugs, or compatibility issues can also throw estimates out the window. So, challenges are huge in creating or developing software, but eventually engineers manage to do so. Even you guys will do that. Once again, thank you so much for watching me patiently. Thank you and wait for the next video series. Thank you.